Okay, Debbie's, so excuse the noise. My mom's washing. We're doing laundry today, so I just wanted to come on here and show you guys. I wanted to go ahead and do a review slash first impressions on the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I'm going to show you guys how I use this here on camera and show you guys how I'm going to be using it. It's the first time using it and I'm super excited. I kind of like brush my hair with it right now. My hair is really curly. I put this like robe on so you guys could kind of like see my hair, but I have like curly hair. My hair, thank God, has been becoming more healthier and it's growing. My hair is literally curly. If I were to brush my hair when it finishes completely air drying, it is super frizzy and lioness. So that's my hair. I have a lot of curly hair. The only thing I did was right when I got out the shower, I went ahead and I put the Garnier Sleek and Shine Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment with argan oil from Morocco, and it's for frizzy, dry, unmanageable hair. So it's just this here, a little bit on my hand and put a little bit on my hair. You guys can see how curly my hair is and it's getting, I love it. So this has been sitting in my hair while it air dries. Right now I'm going to use the Garnier Flat Iron Protector Straightening Mist, but basically it's a heat protectant. So I definitely use it for that super sleek straight hair, but I also use it as a heat protectant. Now I'm just gonna part my hair halfway. Now I'm just gonna brush my hair through. And I'm gonna speed it up for you guys, okay? Oh my goodness, you guys, do you guys see this here? I freaking love, and this is literally just with the blow dryer. Oh my god. Like, I can't even do this with just a brush and the blow dryer. Wow. So this is the wet side. As you guys can see, it just looks blank. So I'm gonna keep on doing my whole head with it, and I'm just gonna speed it up for you guys. Oh wow, you guys, I literally just finished. This is how my hair looks with just the blow dryer. I had even connected my curler. I connected my curler because I literally thought like I'm gonna need to still curl it in a way, but I don't need to curl anything. It looks like I literally just walked out of the hair salon, got my hair touch tub and everything with a good blow dry. Wow. Let me show it to you guys. And literally every piece of my hair is dry. Like there's nothing, you know, a little still wet or anything. It's just all completely wow. Literally shook. Literally perfect. I freaking love it, you guys. I'm gonna put just a little bit of the Garnier First Dry Unmanageable Hair Oil, and I'm just gonna put that literally on the ends of my hair and work it into the inside of my hair. I don't go on the root too much, but I put like the leftover on the root just because I do have a lot of little flyaways there. And then I'm done. This is my hair. Look how beautiful it looks. It looks healthy. I'm not putting too much heat damage because normally I'll blow dry my hair with the brush and, you know, the regular blow dryer, and then I still go in to straighten some of my hair, and then I'll go in to curl the tips of my hair if I want my hair to literally turn out like this. And in this case, I didn't have to do all that. I didn't have to put all that heat on my hair. So my hair is going to be even more healthier, and it's going to be growing a lot more just by using this guy. And I really loved it. It's lightweight. It's not too heavy. It's not going to hurt your wrist. It's really easy to use. It was my first time using it, and I felt like a professional doing my hair. So it's super crazy. I actually got it at Amazon for a good price. I do know originally it's about $60, but on Amazon I got it for $40 with Amazon Prime, including whatever taxes they put on it. But I really highly recommend it. I mean, you guys seen my hair. You guys saw all the curls in my hair. My hair super curly, wavy. It's definitely getting healthier. So embracing all of my natural curls and everything, but I just want to put less heat on my hair, and I feel like this will be a very good alternative for that. And I love it. It didn't tug on my hair. It didn't pull my hair. It didn't get tangled in my hair. It doesn't get too hot. You guys will see in the video how when I was grabbing my hair, I would put my hand here and bring it down just to make sure that all the hair stays in there. But even without me doing that, the hair will still stay in place, and you could just rotate, flip very easily. And the good thing is that you have a free hand, and not both of your hands are being occupied. So I mean, I really loved it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review and demo for you guys. And hopefully this video helps you guys on purchasing the Revlon blow dryer, because I honestly think it's amazing. I want to buy a backup. I think I'm gonna buy a backup just in case for the future, but I freaking loved it, you guys. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.